Ever spent hours digging through LinkedIn, hunting for the perfect leads, and still feel like you've gotten nowhere? That's why I built a lead generation AI agent in N8N. Now I can just choose the role, the industry, and the location I'm interested in, and click submit. And the leads start pouring into my Google Sheet with emails, LinkedIn profiles, company info, every detail that I need automatically collected without me lifting a finger. It even writes a personalized email for every single lead. So no more staring at blank pages or trying to sound human. I just give it a quick review and hit send. So what used to take hours of tedious work now happens in just minutes, and the outreach has gone from exhausting to effortless. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up the same workflow so your AI can do this while you can focus on closing deals. So I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To create a lead generation AI agent, we are going to do 6 steps. The first step is to download the workflow. So to download the workflow, just click the link in the description. Now here you can see that we have a ready-made workflow template that you can use to set up instantly without building from scratch. In order to use this template, first we need to have an N8N hosting. Now there are 3 different ways you can use N8N. The first option is to host N8N locally on your own computer. The first option is free, but it is more complex to set up. The second option is using WebSpace Kit for hosting N8N. This is the most quickest and the low-cost way to host N8N. This costs just $5 per month or 400 rupees per month. It's easy to use with zero setup required. You also get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. The third option is the N8N Cloud, which is the official platform by N8N. This costs £24 per month, which is approximately $27. It's much more expensive and the features are limited too. In this video, we're going to purchase N8N from WebSpace Kit, where we get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. Since N8N is open source, you get much more benefits when you host it on your own on a platform like WebSpace Kit. Also, WSK provides 100+ workflow templates for free along with the hosting. So to unlock the workflow template and get the N8N hosting, just click this workflow. Here choose how long you want the hosting for. I'm going to choose 12 months. If you choose 24 months, this gives you the best price, which is $5 per month. Then fill in these details, enter your payment details, and click checkout. So now we have successfully made the payment and we've got our N8N hosting. Now click here and you can see that our plan is active. So let's go to step 2, which is to set up N8N. So to set it up, click manage, just scroll down and click go to setup. Here fill in these details, click next, and it'll take you to this page. This is the place where we are going to create the workflow. We've got our own instance of N8N on our own URL like you see here. This is completely private for you and only you can use it. Once you reach this page, this means you can now start adding and running your workflows. First, let's download the template. Just go to this tab. Now if we refresh the page, you can see we are now able to download this template. So just click download and the template file will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have the template, we can go to the next step, which is to import the workflow template. To import the template, go back to N8N, click start from scratch, then click here, select import from file, and upload the workflow file you just downloaded. As you can see here, we've got our workflow. Now rename this workflow as Lead Gen AI and click save. Alright, we have successfully imported our workflow. You may have noticed warning signs on the nodes in the workflow. These indicate that those nodes still need to be configured. So to make our workflow fully functional, we need to set up some of the nodes and connect them to our workflow. So let's go to the next step, which is to connect OpenAI to N8N. OpenAI helps to research leads, generate insights, and create personalized email messages automatically. So to connect OpenAI to N8N, open this node, click here, and select Create New Credentials. This is where we need to enter the API key of OpenAI. To get the API key, click the link given in the description and sign in with your Google account. Now click here, give your key a name. I'll name this key N8N Agent and click Create Secret Key. Now let's copy this key, go back to N8N, paste your API key into this field. Click Save and close this node. Alright, we have now successfully connected OpenAI to N8N. So let's go to step 5, which is to connect Apify to N8N. We are using Apify to fetch real-time web data and extract information. To connect Apify to N8N, open this node. And this is where we need to enter our Apify API key. To get the API key, go to the YouTube tab and click the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Now to use the Apify API key, we need to upgrade our plan. So let's scroll down and click here. Select the plan that best suits your needs. I'm going to select the starter plan. Select your payment method. I'm going with card payment option. Then fill in your payment information. Click save and continue and complete the payment. Now go to the settings section. Click on API and integrations. And here you can see your API key. So let's copy this. Go back to N8N. Replace this placeholder with the API key. Now let's go back to the canvas. Great! We have now successfully connected Apify to N8N. Next, let's go to step 6, which is to connect Google Sheets to store our leads. Google Sheets helps us store all the leads, insights, and the outreach data in an organized and easily accessible way. To connect Google Sheets, open this node, click here, and select Create New Credentials. Here we need to enter our Google credential. So to get them, click the link in the description. Click here to agree to the terms of service. Now click on Select a project. Then click New Project. Give it a name, let's say N8N Agent, and click Create. Now click here and select the project you just created. Now click here and go to APIs and Services. Here select OAuth consent screen. Now click Get Started. Here enter the app name, let's say N8N Agent. Then select your email from the drop-down and click Next. Here select External, click Next. Now here add your email address. Click Next. Check the box to agree to the user data policy. Click Continue and click Create again. Now just click Create OAuth Client. Click here. Select Web Application and name it N8N Agent. Click Add URL. Now we need to add the redirect URL from N8N. So go back to N8N and copy this URL. Switch back to this tab. Paste the URL here and click Create. Here's one of the credentials we need, so let's copy it. Go back to N8N and paste it here. Now go back to this tab, click OK to close this, then click N8N Agent, and here's the second credential we need. So let's copy it by clicking here. Go back to N8N and paste it in this field. Alright. Now go back to this tab, click here and search for Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets API and enable it. Next, let's search for and select for Google Drive. Select Google Drive API and enable it too. Now go back to the OAuth consent screen. Here select Audience. Click Publish App and click Confirm. Great, now we can add our Google OAuth credential to N8N and start connecting our sheets. Now let's go back to N8N, save the credentials, then click here to sign in with your Google account. You will see this kind of message, but that's completely fine. Just click on Advanced, click on this URL, select all permissions and continue. Now close this and go back to Canvas. Now click the link in the description and it will take you to this template. This is where our scrapped leads will be stored. So to use this sheet in our workflow, click Make a Copy. Now click here and rename the sheet. I'm going to name it Leads Database. Okay, now go back to N8N, click here and select the sheet we just created, which is Leads Database. Then click here and select Leads. We've successfully connected Google Sheets to N8N. Okay, so now we have set up everything and are ready to test our lead generation workflow. To test the workflow, click Save and then click Execute Workflow. As you can see, a form appears. So select your targeting options like job titles, location, company size, and industry. And click Submit. The workflow is now running and scraping leads based on our criteria. Let's verify that our scraped data is properly saved in Google Sheets. Just go to your Google Sheets. You can see we've successfully captured all the information from our scraping process. Now let's move on to run the personalized email outreach process. Just go back to our N8N workflow. and click here to execute the personalized email outreach part of the workflow. This will take our scraped lead data and generate personalized outreach emails. The workflow has finished executing and generated our personalized emails. Let's verify that our generated emails have been properly saved to our Google Sheets database. Just go back to your Google Sheet. You can see our personalized emails have been generated and added in the email prepared column. Each email is tailored specifically to the lead's company and role. And that's it. You now have a complete automated lead generation outreach system that scrapes leads and creates personalized emails at scale. You can now use these emails for your outreach campaigns and start connecting with potential clients right away. So that's it, guys. Now you have a fully automated lead generation and personalized email outreach system. You can now start building this workflow for yourself. The first step is launching N8N on Webspace Kit. And to do that, just click here and it'll take you to the same page that we saw in the first step. Go ahead and start creating workflows. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.